You've made it! Welcome to the ground floor of the prototype. The ground floor of our design renovates and restores, with respect to the heritage, the original public and commercial plinth of the tenement flat. If you look around, the ground floor houses the most public part of the prototype experience. It's a multifunctional community space with provision for a makerspace, an exhibition wall and a social kitchenette area with tables and seating. Both zones are connected by a timber backwall system which acts as a tool library, second-hand shop, furniture storage and a notice board for the neighborhood. The nature of the new public program enables a system for circularity and symbiosis with the residential daily life on the upper floors. Damaged items and waste that have the potential to be upcycled are collected in the makerspace and given new value. Some items that are crafted in the makerspace can even be sold at a second-hand shop, aiming for a circular economy. Introducing this makerspace is one of the implementations in the design that aligns with the vision of SAM. It fosters sustainable living habits and symbiotic relationships with the residents, the environment and local ecosystems. So, are you ready to explore the rest of the space? In the next video, let's tell you more about the material library.